Welcome to the final lesson of our 250 Phrases Masterclass. Today, we will prepare you for your next adventure with 50 essential English phrases for travel. Let's begin with planning and booking. 1. Where would you like to go? A travel agent might ask you this.
I would like to go to the park, please.
2. I've never been to... Use this to talk about places you want to visit. For example, I've never been to Rio de Janeiro.
I've never been to the big dog park across town.
3. We should book tickets now. To book means to purchase or reserve.
Yes, book the tickets before the price goes up.
4. Spur-of-the-moment. This describes something spontaneous, without a plan. Example, it was a spur-of-the-moment trip.
My decision to chase the squirrel was spur of the moment.
5. Wherever the wind blows us. This is a poetic way to say you have no specific destination.
On my walk, I just go wherever my nose blows me.
6. I need to make a reservation. This means to save your place at a hotel or restaurant.
I made a reservation for this spot on the sofa.
7. Do you have an audio guide? This is a useful question at museums or attractions.
Do you have an audio guide that explains where all the best smells are?
8. Do you accept cash or credit cards? A very important question when paying for things.
Do you accept belly rubs as payment?
9. What are the hours for the museum? This asks for the opening and closing times.
What are the hours for the kitchen? I need to know for snacks.
10. What should I pack for? This is a great way to ask about the weather and planned activities.
What should I pack? My leash, my bowl, and my favorite toy.
Now let's learn how to ask for directions. 11. Where are you headed? This is a friendly way to ask someone where they are going.
I am headed to my bed for a very important nap.
And 12. Can you tell me how to get to the metro station? A polite and clear way to ask for directions.
Can you tell me how to get to the nearest squirrel?
13. How far is it to the airport? This asks about the distance to a place.
How far is it to the park with the good squirrels?
14. Which way to the bus stop? A simple, direct question to ask for the direction.
Which way to the kitchen? My internal compass knows.
15. Where is the closest ATM? An ATM is a machine to get cash from your bank card.
Where is the closest water bowl? I am very thirsty.
16. Is there a grocery store close by? Close by means near this location.
Is there a comfy nap spot close by?
17. When is the next train? A crucial question for using public transport.
When is the next meal? I am asking for a friend.
18. What time does the flight leave? You can replace flight with train or bus.
What time does the mailman leave?
19. Will the departure be on time? This asks if the trip will start at the scheduled time.
Will dinner be on time? This is very important.
20. You can drop me here, or this is me. Say this to a taxi or rideshare driver when you arrive.
You can drop me right here next to this interesting smell.
Excellent. Now let's learn some phrases for the airport. 21. Where's the check-in? The place where you get your boarding pass and check your bags.
Where is the check-in for the belly rubs?
22. When will the plane begin boarding? Boarding is the process of getting on the plane.
When will the car begin boarding for the park?
23. What is your flight number? An airport employee will ask you this.
My flight number is Naptime 101.
24. Do you have your passport? You will hear this many times during international travel.
Do you have my passport?
And 25. Boarding pass, please. This is the ticket that allows you to get on the plane.
My cute face is my boarding pass.
26. Are you checking any luggage? This is for bags that go under the plane, not carry-on.
Yes, I am checking one bag full of my toys.
27. Do you have anything to declare? Customs officers ask this about items you are bringing into the country.
I declare that I am a very good boy.
28. I have a connecting flight. This means your journey has more than one flight.
I have a connecting nap between the living room and the kitchen.
29. Where is the luggage claim? The place where you pick up your checked bags.
Where is the treat claim? I was told there would be treats.
30. Are you traveling for business or pleasure? A common question from immigration officers.
I am traveling for sniffing purposes. This is serious business.
Great, now you have arrived. Let's check into the hotel. 31. I have a reservation under... Say this at the front desk, followed by your last name.
I have a reservation under Eddy, the very important puppy.
32. Is there somewhere I can print my boarding pass? Many hotels have a business center for this.
Is there somewhere I can print out a menu of the local squirrels?
33. Is there a good restaurant nearby? A great way to get local recommendations.
Is there a good place nearby that allows dogs and gives free treats?
34. Can I get some more towels? You can ask for anything you need, like pillows or blankets.
Can I get some more belly rubs?
35. Do you have a map? A simple and always useful question.
Do you have a map of all the fire hydrants in this city?
36. Which way to the elevators? You can ask for directions to anywhere in the hotel.
Which way to the comfiest looking chair?
37. Can I get a queen bed? This confirms the size of the bed in your room.
Can I get a dog bed? A very large one?
38. Is breakfast included? A very important question before you eat.
Are bacon and eggs included?
And 39. What time is breakfast served? This helps you know the schedule, so you don't miss it.
I need to know what time to wake up for my breakfast.
40. Can I order room service? This is asking to have a meal delivered to your room.
Can I order room service? I would like the entire menu.
Now for our final section, talking about your travels. 41. Have you ever been to? A great conversation starter about travel experiences.
Have you ever been to the kitchen right after someone dropped cheese?
42. What was your favorite thing about? This question shows you are interested in their story.
My favorite thing about the park was the variety of smells.
43. Off the beaten path. This describes an isolated place that is difficult to find. Example: I love finding destinations off the beaten path.
My favorite nap spot is off the beaten path, behind the sofa.
44. Hidden gem. A hidden gem is something incredible that not many people know about.
That little bit of sausage I found was a real hidden gem.
45. Tourist trap. This is a place designed to attract tourists and get their money.
That fancy pet store is a total tourist trap.
46. Road trip. This is a journey made by car or bus. Example: I went on a road trip with my best friend.
I love road trips. So many things to see out the window.
47. I am ready for some R&R. R&R stands for rest and relaxation.
After a long day of napping, I'm ready for some R&R.
48. Whirlwind trip. A whirlwind trip is very fast-paced and high energy.
Chasing my tail is a whirlwind trip that goes nowhere.
49. Jet lag. This is the extreme tiredness you feel after a long flight across time zones.
I have nap lag when I wake up too suddenly.
And our final phrase, number 50. I can't wait to go back. Use this to express how much you enjoyed a place.
I can't wait to go back to my bed.
And that's it. You have done it. You have learned all 250 of the most important phrases in English. We have covered idioms, phrasal verbs, common questions, and phrases for travel. We are so proud of your dedication. Keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep learning. Thank you for joining us for this special series. We will see you in our next lesson.